Yeah, what's good, gang? Why am I? Oh yeah, I think I'm becoming more hype in the beginning of my videos, and maybe it's because we booming. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's because y'all really mess with your boy. But today we got something special in store. We're about to head up to MD Interior shop, and we're gonna do some interior work today. So stay tuned. All these red. Litty. Alright. Let's get this bad boy started up. Gotta get some gas. What is the S2000 vlogs without getting some gas, right? We only got 2 bars. Pretty sure you guys seen that from yesterday's vlog that I had no gas in here. Okay, I'm gonna really get me some harnesses because this is super annoying to get every single day. Every time I get in a car, I always gotta like reach mad far back to get the seatbelt.
It's about to be a surgical summer. Chop the tops off the coupes.
Did he just bust out Spanish? Oh, come on, man. Come on, Drake. You just let him speak a whole different language on you, bruh, in a diss track.
Right in the side. Let's have a heart-to-heart about your pride. Even though you're multi, I see that your soul don't look alive. The M's count different when baby divides the pie.
Damn, another one goes down. Bagged STI, bagged S2000, and then another bagged S2000. Woo! Nice. He's got the Buddy Club tails. I got the Depot tails. Wait, wrong. He has the Depot tails. I have the Buddy Club tails. All these bagged cars. All of these bagged cars, man. Wide body though? Alright, so as you guys can see, we're at the shop now, and I'm gonna be taking off my hardtop. Now you're gonna ask yourself, why is he taking off the hardtop? Because me and Mark is about to make some magic, alright? Some real live magic. You guys are gonna see something that's not been done on YouTube yet. First S2000 with the head of the hardtop, the headliner of the hardtop done. Alright? You've seen it here. S2000 did it first. Alright, so I unbolted everything. Now the top just comes off. So right now he's adjusting the 3P on the air suspension for this Subaru. Bag everything. Alright, so right now, masking off the rear window, so that way when he sprays the glue to wrap the top, it's gonna go right in, no problems, easy. Alright, so let's start masking. Look at how many black S2000s is inside this shop. We have one on the lift right there. We got man paws right there. And then we got my bad boy right there. While he's over there bagging a Subaru right there, adjusting it. And Mark is finishing up the duct tape that I put up. So many S2000s, so many different flavors. And then you guys saw the wide body one that was outside. I don't know. Yeah, prepping it, getting it ready. Straight fire. Look at that red suede.
Yeah. I'm set. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over set. That's why they need me out the way with you expect. Got a lot of blood and it's cold. Forgive me for my soul. Thankful for the women that I know. Can't go 50-50 with no hope.
Right now what he's doing, he's spraying that adhesive so that way the fabric sticks to the hardtop. So that's what he's spraying on there right now is fabric glue, and it's gonna make everything super sticky so that way it sticks down. I know it's pretty noisy in here, but like I said, they're back there working on the STI, bagging it, adjusting it, and Mark's over here doing this. So that's why we did all that taping and prepping it up so that way he's able to spray it, and then, you know, everything else could just peel off with the rest. Alright, so after spraying this down, he says you have to wait about 5 to 10 minutes. Solid guy. You guys want to see something that's cool though? See the S2000? And then you see what's above it? But then you see the S2000? And you see what's above it? That's goals right there. That's letting me know that I'm this much closer to get in that car. So you guys got to be a part of the live, man. If you guys had the post notification bell, you'll be knowing what was going on before it even happened. So make sure you guys turn on that post notification bell so that way you can be a part of this live when I'm live. So you guys see Mark, he's already laid down the fabric on the hardtop. Yeah, Fuji gang. Know what I mean? So make sure you guys turn on that post notification bell so you can be a part of the squad. I also just gave out my specs too on live. So if you weren't part of the live, then you don't know my specs. If you get this video to 200 likes, I'll put out the specs for you guys in the next one. Alright, so after tucking everything under these rubber seals here, it is officially done. Now it's time to put it on the car, and it's finna be a breeze. Woo! Get ready for the ice. You can see that light. Woo! Woo! Fire. Fucking fire, dude. And now that he was here to help me put the hardtop back on, it was super easy to install, so that was quick and fast. I'm sweating like crazy, I'm hot. But I'm in love, bro. Oh man. Sam, carpets, seats, and then bow. Woo! I don't know what y'all saying. Dash is next. Here comes the wide body. Where's the underglow? I just saw it. Hey, underglow. But it only cuts on when you hit the brakes. One more S2000 added to the lot. Woo. So how many is that? 4? That's 4 S2Ks in one spot. Yeah. What you think?
Not bad. Not bad. How much is it?
430? That's what I'm gonna tell him.
Yeah, probably. I don't know if it's there.
Yeah? Ah. Alright, so yesterday I forgot to end the vlog, but I also wanted you guys to see the headliner in the daytime so you guys see it. Whew. Straight fire. So if you guys like what I did with the headliner, please smash the like button, alright? Smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe, man. Alright? And the package is here. Alright, so you guys see me in this right now. I'm gonna be vlogging again, showing you guys what I just got in the mail today. So I'm gonna give you guys a sneak preview and then you guys tell me what you think it is. Oh man, this is a huge box, bro. Yeah. So, like I said, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you know when this video's coming out. That thing right here, boy. Oh man. Fire. I love this car, yo. So, till tomorrow, guys, I'm out of here.